Alright YouTube, I'm back. It's been a while, but now I'm going to start making more videos. And this is Proji update number 3. Alright, so let's kick off. I'm just going to do a quick tech update. My Nintendo DS is running absolutely fantastically. I have no complaints with it whatsoever. Battery life is just stunning. It just keeps going and going and going and going and going, and well, you get the idea. Brilliant device. I've completed Mario, which was quite good fun. Still got a few things I suppose I can do in it in terms of extra percentage completion, but I've finished all the levels, so there you go. So that's alright. I just need to get a new game. I'm really desperate to get Mario Kart DS. I think that's going to be great fun. And Tetris DS, but me and Tetris is dangerous. I spend way too much time playing it. Or I used to. My iMac is running absolutely fantastically. It's just a cracking machine, without a doubt. Not really had any problems with it. You know, a few system slowdowns. Well, not really slowdowns. The operating system has crashed probably only a couple of times since I was last on, and that wasn't really a proper crash. It was more just some piece of software being particularly awkward. But yeah, stability wise, I would say it's fantastic. It's certainly just years ahead of Windows XP. I like XP, to be fair, but you know, it's years ahead in terms of stability. So no other problems, or just no problems with the iMac. It just works great, and I can't ask any more than that. I've started playing a few more games on it. Guild Wars and Counter-Strike, as I've mentioned before, they run absolutely fantastically. Hitman has been running really good. So yeah, you know, I'm starting to try a few new games. Now, a few other things, and these are sort of Apple related. The iPhone SDK for developing the new applications for the iPod Touch as well. I'm hoping to, well, I'm going to download a copy of it from Apple's website. I'll put the link just there. There you go. Apple.com/developer. It is free to download, and I think it's going to be quite good fun to have a little play around and see if I could write anything meaningful. So I think I'll be using drag and drop because I'm not really a coder by nature, so it'd be worth having a look at. I'm also hoping to learn AppleScript, because I realised the other day, you know, when I thought about it, that macOS it just works great from a user point of view, but I've just seen just how much power there is in the operating system, the ability to automate things, to do all sorts of stuff. You have such an unprecedented level of access in so many ways that's so easy to access. You know, we're not talking about deep level probing of the operating system, we're talking about the capabilities there if you want to use it. So I'd like to try and capitalise on that and unlock some of the power of macOS. So I need to get a book on it, basically. I'll keep you updated on that. And finally, I'm hoping to do a feature over the next couple of weeks. I need to do some testing, which is going to be Microsoft Office 2008 for Mac versus iWork 08 versus OpenOffice 3 for the Mac. Obviously 3 different price brackets, 3 office suites, and I just want to do some testing, find out which is best. I'm sure there's pluses and minuses to all of them, and I'm gonna test them all. If anyone who's watching has got any experience with any of those packages they'd like to share, then please go ahead. I've used OpenOffice before in Linux. Microsoft Office I've obviously used a lot. iWork I haven't really used that much actually since I got it, so I'm gonna have to have a good look at it. So yeah, anybody's got any feedback, any comments about any of those packages, please email them in, comment to this video, or message me on YouTube or something like that, and I will add them in when I do a video on it in a couple of weeks' time. Alright, so that's basically it for now. I am going to be back making more videos. My next video is going to be about what's going on with the iPhone, the latest rumours, the talk of the 3G iPhone, and the thing that I find quite interesting, and that is that why it seems to be suddenly very difficult to get hold of an iPhone. So yeah, stay tuned, as it were, and hopefully you'll be seeing a bit more of me. Alright, thanks.